Soursop leaves has numerous health benefits. It is an effective natural remedy for various health problems. The following are 22 health benefits of soursop leaf tea. Drinking soursop leaf tea can help nursing mothers to produce more milk. Soursop leaf tea contains antimicrobial properties. It has antibacterial, antiviral, antimalarial, and antiparasitic properties. It regulates high blood pressure because it is high in potassium. It regulates high blood sugar levels in diabetics. Soursop leaf tea contains calcium that strengthens the bone. Soursop leaf tea can relieve stress. Soursop leaf tea prevents outbreak of herpes. Drinking soursop leaf tea prevents tension on the nerves and keep the nerves calm. It is an energy booster because it contains thiamine. Soursop leaf tea is rich in calcium and can relieve muscle cramp. Soursop leaf tea contains a great amount of iron which prevents anemia. Drinking soursop leaf tea relieves constipation. Drinking soursop leaf tea regulates bad cholesterol. Drinking soursop leaf tea can help prevent UTI, urinary tract infection, because it contains vitamin C. Riboflavin present in soursop leaf tea can help migraine sufferers. Soursop leaf tea contains folate, which prevents pregnant women from developing fetal abnormalities. Drinking soursop leaf tea can help relieve the pain of rheumatoid arthritis. Soursop leaf tea can boost your immune system. Drinking soursop leaf tea may relieve your back pain. Drinking soursop leaf tea may boost your metabolic process, thus helping you to lose weight. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles because of its astringent properties. Soursop leaf tea has anti-carcinogenic properties. Now let us go over to how to make the tea. It has a strong flavor and a few leaves will do. Get a few leaves and put them in hot water. Let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes and then sieve. Before taking soursop leaf tea, consult your healthcare provider because it can interact with your medications. You can add a sweetener of your choice. Please watch the next video on foods to boost your brain memory and intelligence. Thank you.